next in this next segment, when it comes to people who have got knee replacement and hip replacement, this is another Tai Chi yoga movement you can use with the Tai Chi yoga bag to help strengthen your knees as well as create range of motion. So in this particular movement, you're going to step out with the knee. Knee is bent. And so when I bend my knee, I'm going to bring my hands here. Once I bring my hands here, I'm just going to push back. The hands slowly come to the side. So if you had a knee replacement, you need to bend your knee, extend the arms out, straighten the leg out. When you come back, bend the knee, straighten the leg out, bend the knee, straighten the leg out, and inhale. So as you see, I'm strengthening our legs with this bag as I lift, step back, bend the knee, switch your legs, bend the knee, push back. In this particular segment, I'm going to talk about tight shoulders. Many of us have tight shoulders. We're walking around, our shoulders, we have so much stress in our shoulders, and many of us are suffering from anxiety, depression, and a lot of our problems are related right here in these shoulders. We are carrying tons and tons of stress around in our shoulders. And the thing about it is, we're trying to lay down at night and sleep with this stress in our shoulders. It's very difficult to have a good night's sleep. If you sit back all stressed out, shoulders are stressed, body is stressed, then you sit there trying to go to sleep at night. The Tai Chi yoga bag is used to reduce stress on the shoulder. So there are various positions that you can use the bag to reduce stress in the shoulders. So let me begin by saying this. I'm going to take the Tai Chi yoga bag, I'm going to place it up on my shoulders, just like this. Now, once the bag is on my shoulders, you can begin right off the bat to see the stress begin to just melt from the shoulder, just by having the bag sitting here and doing what I call deep breathing. Inhale, see, chest should expand, but also look at the shoulders, they're also expanding too. So when you do this, you're also putting prana back into this area that's been depleted so many years, for such a long time. So we want to reduce stress in the shoulders with the Tai Chi yoga bag, and one way to do that is to place the bag on your shoulder and then just deep breathe. Inhale, Tai Chi yoga bag, chest should rise, bag should expand. Exhale. Inhale. Notice how my shoulders rise, my chest expands, the Tai Chi yoga bag moves, because what I'm doing is reducing stress in the shoulders, because we have a lot of stress up here. I can't set up enough. Exhale down. Inhale. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Exhale out. Now, we're going to look at how we can add components to reduce the stress in the shoulders with the Tai Chi yoga bag. So here are some of the movements you can do to reduce stress in your shoulders using the Tai Chi yoga bag. For instance, let me begin by just